Welcome. If you find the animations and transitions on X, formerly known as Twitter, a little overwhelming or distracting, there's a simple way to make your browsing experience smoother. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable the Reduce Motion feature on X using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left side of your screen for the navigation menu. Here, you'll see an icon labeled More. Click on this to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various preferences for your account. Next, find the section labeled Accessibility, Display, and Language. Click on this option to expand more settings related to how X looks and feels. Within this menu, you'll see an option simply called Accessibility. Click on it, and you'll be presented with several features designed to make X more user-friendly. Now scroll down until you find the setting labeled Reduce Motion. This feature is designed to minimize the amount of movement and animation you see as you navigate the platform. To enable it, simply toggle the switch so it turns on. That's it. With Reduce Motion enabled, you'll notice fewer animations and transitions, making your experience on X more comfortable, especially if you're sensitive to motion or just prefer a more minimal interface. Remember, you can always return to these settings and turn Reduce Motion off if you want to bring back the full range of animations. Thanks for following along and enjoy a smoother, more accessible experience on X.